Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we're gonna take a look at the Ubuntu's new operating system, which is 24.04. So let's go to Ubuntu's official website. You can see here is Ubuntu's 24.04, which size is 6 GB, so you can download it. Okay, let's wait for the download to complete, and we're gonna take a look at something else, which is what's new on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, you can see here are the points: unified marketplace offering, optimized for Azure, enhanced developer toolchains, and confidential computing, Windows subsystem for Linux, and wrapping up. I will attach this link in my description for that you can read more. And let's check one more thing while the download gets completed, which is Ubuntu's 24.04 system requirements. Okay, here is Ubuntu's official website. You can see these are the system required by Ubuntu 24.04, which is you need a 64-bit Intel or AMD processor. You need at least minimum a 1 GB of RAM. Suggested minimum RAM is 3 GB or more. Storage you need 5 GB storage minimum. Okay, for the ISO image, as we are downloading ISO, we're gonna check for ISO. So let's wait for the download to be completed. After that, I will make a USB bootable drive with this ISO and install it on my device. If you want to see the full process of making a USB bootable drive or installing Linux in your system, you can check my other playlist, which is showing on my I button. Let's get back after installing Ubuntu 24.04. Now you can see my download has been completed, and I have inserted my USB, which is written on Linux Lite 6.6, and we're gonna flash this USB with the help of this Ubuntu 24.04 ISO. Now let's get back to Ubuntu 24.04 installation, and I will get back to you after the full installation. Now you can see the installation of Ubuntu 24.04 has been completed. Now let's set this Ubuntu 24.04 real quick. You can enable Ubuntu Pro from here, which is obviously a paid version of Ubuntu. Let's share data with Ubuntu team and finish. Let's see what's new on this Ubuntu 22.04. Let me open my terminal now. Out of Unicoen, you can see this Ubuntu is running Ubuntu SMP. Okay. So let's check for this. Is a new background. Actually we did not see it on previous Ubuntus. So let's see the background first. Actually you have nice backgrounds, new backgrounds over here. Okay, let's put it in black. Oh, now let's see what's new. Okay, if you go to system monitor, you can see 2.8 GB memory is using actually 2.4 GB is the ideal state of memory. Okay, and actually I am using OBS to record my screen, because when I tried simple screen recorder was not working. I don't know why. You got Firefox for your default web browser, and you got Thunderbird mail for check your emails. You have to set this up. Then you have this app center. Let's visit it and see. Okay, you have various of app here. There is a new look in this app center, but it's actually a little bit heavy on my system. That's why I was using Linux Lite, but I will use Ubuntu 24.04 for quite some time, and I am gonna give you a full review of this operating system after 1 month of using it. So if you can see there, I have set this power mode to performance. You have also dark mode, okay, and night light. You may not see the night light on this video, but it's actually functional. Now if you go to settings, you can see you have online account center here, like the previous Ubuntu's. And by default these apps are installed on this system. You can add additional drivers here. If you have a NVIDIA card or AMD card, you can install it. You have app center, backups, calculator, calendar, camera, characters, clock, disks, disk uses analyzer, file roller, files. Firefox web browser comes by default. There is a firmware updater, and I have installed HTOP and the OBS Studio here. Other apps are installed by default. Okay, your VLC also comes here by default. So let me launch HTOP here. You can see 1.85 gigabyte of memory out of my 8 GB has been occupied. I have using OBS, that's why. Other than the memory uses will be a little bit lower. So you have this menu. You have trash. You have this workplace switcher, okay, and by tapping your Windows button on keyboard you can access the workplace switcher. You can access by this. Okay, let me install NeoFetch. Let's see. So the NeoFetch. If you want full video of Linux installation, you have to check the I button. This will take some time to installing NeoFetch. NeoFetch is a 32.9 MB package. So let's wait some time. Okay, now this is installing NeoFetch in your system. Now clear it and type NeoFetch to see your system information. You can see this is running on Ubuntu 24.04 and the kernel is 6.8.0, and the use theme is Yaru and icons also Yaru. You can change it according to your choice, and the default theme is Windows Manager theme is Advita. Okay, and the desktop environment is Genome. Actually, I don't like Genome interface personally. I am more of a XFC fan, so I will give a full review after using this operating system for 10 to 15 days or about a month. So thank you for watching, guys. This is the new operating system of Ubuntu. So if you want to try it, just go to Ubuntu site
and installed it. I will attach every links in the description. So please subscribe my channel. This will help me to grow my channel. Thank you.